I'm Mihara, and today we're gonna unwrap my new squishy. But first, you need to check out Rebecca Zamolo video and Madam Rebecca. It is from the Game Master. That video is so cool. It can help them find a clue and solve the riddles. I'm gonna link it down below. Or if you don't want to see it, I'm gonna say to you, this is Rebecca Zamolo channel. Just click Rebecca Zamolo and Madam Rebecca. Then you're gonna find all the details about the Game Master and Pumpkin Patch, and they have a lot of cool videos that I like it. Subscribe them, and they have a giveaway from 5 million subscribers. Yeah, I just watch it, so I know. Because I am the one of Zam fan. I'm really fun of the Rebecca Zamolo. They know how to solve a riddle. They're so smart. And today, I'm going to do my squishy. So this is not sponsored, so don't. And then you know that I'm store all my squishy here. So So this is my new squishy. So I unboxed it, and I'm gonna be fine. I'm gonna grab the squishy that really similar with this one. So, okay, so I'm gonna grab the smushy squishy, and they have names, guys. So I'm so lazy to have the names. Oh my gosh, I'm really lazy to have the names, guys. I'm always lazy. Okay, so I got this. Oh my gosh, it's so. So I'm gonna unbox it. This is a hot cocoa, and it has a extra whip, a rainbow sprinkles, and a mini marshmallow. So you guys see it. And this is so cool. If you like the it's so cool. I'm so crazy. I don't think so. Okay, so you're gonna see the squishy first, and then look at it. It's like a ship or something, but it has a name here. So I unbox it, and you can solve the riddles, and you can collect them all. So here's it. I collect only this and this. Okay, so I'm gonna see it to you. So that, guys, this and this. That's two. I'm just have three. And the name is Molly Mirror and Sarah Sprinkle Pop. So wait, guys. Hey guys, I'm back in the studio and we're gonna start. Okay, so we're here. We're opening this. And then as you can see, this like so similar with Lizzie. But the not similar is she don't have a like this cream, and don't like in here, like they have green. No, don't mind this. They have green, and this is Bobby, and this is Lizzie. And then so she has like hair, and that's really cool. So it has hair. So here she has like this thing. Like I'm gonna show you this thing like that white. Do you see that, guys? This white. And then I saw it. The white replacing the hair, but it's not replacing the hair. It's like replaced in the top. But the cool thing is she has like unicorn hair, like horse hair like this, and it's really squishy. And she has a gift, and this is so cool because the two doesn't have gift in her head, but she got one. It's so cool. And her ears is compared with these ears. This is like some more berry. This is pointed, but this is pointier. Okay, so her nose is like kind of funny. Oh my god, I'm so sorry. Kind of funny. I'm funny about her two legs. Oh, that's why I'm confusing, because this is like her hand. I'm really happy about this, guys. And this is the tree that I got from my smushy. And oh my gosh, guys. Look at that, guys. Screenshot it. I'm gonna post it in Instagram. So if you don't follow me, just follow me. I'm gonna link my name down below. And yeah, guys. So this is the, okay, so you will see Oh, for these guys, it has like riddles like you want to solve. So it's like, and it is like I have a person in room like a peasant person, and you have a name tag. What is the name of your squishy? This is so cool, guys. And you have this little, like this is similar with this, guys. This is a little like this, guys. This is circle. It's like this is a string. I don't know what's called. A little bottle like you can make some here, and then like a little string, guys. This is so cool, guys, and it's true too. So this is cool, the coolest thing ever, and I love that I picked this. I want to pick the one with the, I think that's a unicorn, but I said this is a tropical one. Yeah, know what I mean? Thumbs up your comment if you know what I mean. Okay, so I have this little kid squish. Oh my gosh, I'm really obsessed. Oh my gosh, this is my first time in my squishy that have a dessert. I mean, I have this squishy, this is Bullies, but I don't know, this is Sing. But this is so cool, and Bullies this is I use in one of my dares, like Slimness. I will, oh my gosh, I will link it down below, and this is so cool. So yeah, okay, so watch me. Yeah, so this is, I don't know what's his name, but it's okay. So this is a unicorn, and I think this is a unicorn horse. I bet this is one. Okay, so wait, guys. That's all, guys. If you're wondering what series I get, I am in series 4. I get this from series number 1 with Bullies, and I get the Lizzie and Scene series number 3, and I have no series number 2, but I have this. This is series number 4. So please watch. If you want more squishy video, just subscribe to Rebecca Zamolo and Matt and Rebecca. Happy 5 million subscribers, and I love you guys, and yeah.